Absolute bargain from Wix earlier, only £20. These are £50 on Amazon. For that price I couldn't resist. So let's see what we get. One manual. What I really like is the dimmer switch, so you can adjust the brightness. Let's try it. Tighten these clamps to stop that moving. Also, these clamps were there. Nice and solid. Extremely bright. Love the dimmer switch. Also came with a clip, so you can hang it off things. Not that I would hang it by there, but just to show you. Love the fact it is so easy to adjust and move. Folds nice and flat for storage. Very happy for £20. I'll be honest, I don't think I'd be happy paying £50 for one. It seems okay, but £50 is a bit extreme just for a light. But yeah, all in all, very happy. Basic, but does the job.